Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher. It's so good to see you. Full, slow, and friendly English dialogue to help you learn English.
Yes, and today's topic is at the supermarket.
We'll teach you vocabulary, everyday expressions, and we'll explain words as we go.
So relax, listen slowly, and speak with us if you want.
Okay, let's begin our supermarket trip.
Emma, do you want to go to the supermarket with me today?
Sure, Emma. I need to buy some food.
Great! Supermarket means a big store where we can buy food, drinks, and daily products.
Yes, and I think it's the best place to buy things for cooking.
Okay, let's go inside. Wow, it looks busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping.
Shopping means buying things.
Let's get a shopping cart.
A shopping cart is the large basket with wheels. You push it around the supermarket.
Right. Some people call it a trolley.
Okay, I'll push the cart today.
Thanks, Leo. That makes it easier.
Let's start in the produce section.
Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables. I need apples. Do you like apples?
Yes, they're sweet and crunchy. Crunchy means it makes a noise when you bite it.
How many should we get?
Maybe 6 apples.
Good idea. And I also want bananas.
Bananas are good for breakfast. They give you energy.
What vegetables do you need?
I need carrots and broccoli.
Carrots are orange, and broccoli is the green vegetable that looks like a little tree.
Yes, I like broccoli with chicken.
Excuse me, where are the tomatoes?
The tomatoes are right behind you near the cucumbers. Excuse me is a polite way to ask for help or to get someone's attention.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
These tomatoes look fresh.
Fresh means new and good to eat.
Should we get 3?
I think 4. I want to make a salad.
Okay. Now let's go to the dairy section.
Dairy means food made from milk, like cheese, yogurt, butter, and milk.
I need milk. Do you want whole milk or low-fat milk?
Whole milk has more fat. Low-fat milk has less fat.
Which one do you prefer?
I'll take low-fat milk today.
Good choice. And I need some cheese.
Oh, can you get mozzarella cheese? It melts well. Melt means it becomes soft when heated.
Let's go to the snacks aisle.
Aisle means the walkway between shelves in a supermarket.
Here are the chips.
I love chips, but I shouldn't eat too many.
True. Chips are tasty, but not very healthy.
Maybe I'll get a small bag.
Good idea. A small bag is a healthier choice.
Emma, how much is this big bag of chips?
Let me check the label. It's $3.50.
Label is the small sticker with the price.
Yes. Do you want the big bag or the small one?
I'll take the small one. It's cheaper. Cheaper means it costs less money.
Good plan. Now, let's look for bread.
The bread section is usually near the bakery.
Bakery is where the store sells bread, cakes, pastries, and other baked goods.
Here it is. What kind of bread do you want?
I want whole wheat bread.
Whole wheat means the bread is made from whole grains. It's healthier.
Yes. What about you?
I'll get white bread. I know it's not the healthiest, but I like the taste.
That's okay. Everyone has different tastes.
Do you need anything from the meat section?
Yes. I need chicken breast.
Chicken breast is the white meat part of the chicken.
Right. It's good for cooking simple meals.
I want ground beef. Ground beef is beef that is chopped into very small pieces.
Yes. I want to make tacos tonight.
There are many packages of chicken. Which one should I take?
Look for the one with today's date.
Oh, yes. The date shows how fresh it is.
And choose the one with a good price.
This one looks good, fresh, and not too expensive.
Now, let's go to the frozen foods.
Frozen foods are kept very cold, so they last a long time.
I want frozen vegetables. They are easy to cook.
I want frozen pizza.
Pizza again, Leo?
Yes, it's delicious and easy.
True. Delicious. Let's go to the checkout.
Checkout is the place where you pay for your items.
And the person who works there is the cashier.
Yes. Let's wait in line.
Wait in line means stand behind other customers until it's your turn.
Hello. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, we found everything we needed.
Great. Do you need any bags today?
Yes. 2 bags, please.
Bags are used to carry your groceries.
Thank you. Your total is $42.75.
I'll pay with a card.
Card means a debit card or credit card.
Please insert your card and type your PIN. Okay, done.
Perfect. Here are your bags. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
We bought a lot of things today,
Yes,
but now we have food for the whole week.
true. Shopping takes time, but it's important.
And it's fun when you go with a friend.
Yes, it is. Okay, everyone, that was our supermarket dialogue.
We hope you learned new vocabulary today.
Now we have some questions for you. What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Do you like fruits or vegetables more?
What is your favorite snack?
Do you make a shopping list before you shop?
Thank you for watching Mr. English Teacher.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please remember to like and subscribe.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye!